Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Trust Wallet on a desktop. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. If you want to use Trust Wallet application for your PC or Trust Wallet application on your Windows or your Mac, then the first thing to do is to install the BlueStacks Android emulator on your PC. BlueStacks emulator software allows you to run phone applications on your Windows and Mac computers, though there are a lot of other emulators available throughout the internet from where you can download it right away on your PC. In my case, I've downloaded this BlueStacks 5 emulator. Now, once you've got that, simply click Open BlueStacks 5 emulator and wait for it to start. Open up the Play Store app from the main home screen. You need to log in using your Google ID to get access to Play Store. Enter your credentials correct and you'll be able to open up your Google Play like this. Into the search bar that appears at the very top of the screen, type in Trust Wallet and press enter. Click the install button right next to Trust Crypto and Bitcoin Wallet application and wait until the application gets downloaded. Once the application gets installed, click the open button and there you have your Trust Wallet installed for your PC. Now, start by creating a new wallet by clicking on this first option or import an existing wallet by clicking on I already have a wallet. Let's create a new wallet today. Click on this button right here that says create a new wallet and go through the privacy policy and terms of service for Trust Wallet. Once you go through it, click on this I've read and accept the term of service and privacy policy button and click continue. Enter a new passcode that you would like to set for your Trust Wallet account. Re-enter the passcode one more time and in the next step it says that you'll see 12 words that allows you to recover a wallet. Click on I understand that if I lose my secret words I will not be able to access my wallet and click continue. Now your secret recovery phrases has been displayed on the screen. Remember that you should not share your secret recovery phrases with anyone since you might lose access to your wallet and your funds might get stolen. So make sure to keep it confidential. Copy these phrases by clicking on copy and paste it in somewhere else safe with a secure folder. Once you do that, click continue at the bottom. Now tap the words displayed below and put them next to each other in the correct order. Soon after you do that, click on the done button at the bottom and you'll be able to create a wallet for Trust Wallet. Click on done. To enable push notifications for incoming and outgoing transactions, click on enable. If you don't want to do that, click on this cross icon at the top right. And there you have your main wallet page of Trust Wallet. You've created a wallet right there. All of your funds that are available on your wallet will be displayed right here on top. You can customize your wallet's name by double clicking on this multi-coin wallet level. Enter a new name for your wallet. You can now send and receive funds, buy your first cryptocurrency, swap and exchange, and so much more. That is how you can easily use Trust Wallet application for your PC. You'll need to download this Android emulator right here and install your Trust Wallet application to do so. Remember that your Trust Wallet application will be displayed right inside the BlueStacks Android emulator homepage. You can easily go ahead and get access to your account just like that. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.